Hello and welcome to Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. Today we are harvesting sweet corn. 2020 has been the best year for growing sweet corn as far as I can see. I've never harvested so much sweet corn. You'll see how much sweet corn I have at the end of this video. Now enjoy watching me over the next few minutes harvesting lots of sweet corn. How many times can I say sweet corn in this video? I'm sure lots of you already know, but to tell that the sweet corn is ready to harvest, the tassels at the end are brown. As you can see, this one is ready. So as I was looking around, this was supposed to be the Three Sisters method. That's sweet corn, pumpkins and beans, or peas. And I planted beans in all the places where the sweet corn was, and only one came through and it was hidden. Only just found it, so that was a nice surprise. Just checking for any sweet corn I might have missed. Here's a few here. I've been snapping the plants down so I know which ones I've done. Did you grow any sweet corn this year? How well did yours do? Have you ever done the Three Sisters method? I've never quite managed to do the full Three Sisters, but I always do 2 sisters, and the pumpkins were good this year too. So this is a lot of sweet corn. That's the ones that are a bit dry already, so I'm going to hang them to dry. All the sweet corn I've done this year was what I dried myself from last year. The chickens have got the ones that weren't quite done. So this is all the mess I'm left with. On the floor, the recycling for the compost, and these are the sweet corn. This is a really good one. And then there's these ones, which have started to dry a bit, as you can see. So that one, maybe this one, not sure, no, it looks a bit rotten. These 6 I'm going to hang and dry for next year's supply. These are going to go to my chickens. So that's it. Maybe I should put all the rest there so you can see them all. There, that's all of them. All the good ones, apart from the ones we've already ate on the first day. These 4 we're having tonight. These 4 going in the fridge for another night. The rest is getting stored for freezer. I want to dry. And just tie some string around it, just so I can hang it up easier. Like that. I done this last year in the shed, but the mice came in and decided to have a good winter meal. So they ate a lot, but not too much. So it's just these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I have to see what these look like later and see if I use them next year again. So I am just going to freeze the whole corn and the cobs uncooked in some freezer bags. Now they're all in, I'm going to use a straw and get as much air out the bags as I can. That's that done. Now all that's done, I'm going to put them all in the freezer. They should last about a year in the freezer. So they will do us over winter. Whenever we fancy some corn, we'll get some corn out and cook it. It's the first time I've frozen corn, because I've never normally had this much. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment. Bye. Wow, that is bad lighting. Now